Hey guys. Oh my goodness. Did you see what happened outside? That's right. It snowed. And I have been watching the snow yesterday. It was so pretty. And then we had to drive in it, and that wasn't so much fun. But I got home today, and someone had been outside. I mean, really. And I wonder if you want to wake them up and see what they have to say. You do? Awesome. Let's go. Okay, ready on the count of 3. Let's wake them up. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, puppet. Whoa. Sammy? Are you in there? Well, Sammy, you're in one of my hats. Because I went outside, Miss Mary, and it was awful cold. Oh, well, of course it's cold. That's why we're supposed to stay inside today. But I bundled up. You did bundle up. Sammy, could I take the hat off so we could talk to the kids? Oh, well, that might be good. I'd like to see them. Oh, I know you would like to see them, Sammy. Okay, so we're going to take the hat off. Yeah, Sammy's got my really fun winter hat on. Oh, hi, guys. I've missed you so much. Aw, Sammy, I'm so glad you got to come. Me too, Miss Mary. And then I brought an activity today. You brought an activity today? Yes, I brought a science activity. Oh, well, what kind of science activity? Well, it snowed. It did snow, Sammy, so what are we going to do with the snow? Well, do the boys and girls know why it snowed? Oh, I don't know. Do you guys know why it snowed? Wait a minute. Say that again? Sammy, I think they told me. Why did it snow, boys and girls? Oh, that's right, because it's cold. That's right, it's cold outside, and when the moisture condenses and goes into the clouds and falls down, and then it snows. Because is it rain? No, it's not rain. Not rain, because rain happens when it's... What do you think, guys? That's right. Rain happens when it's hot. And snow happens when it's, you said it, cold. So, Sammy, you had brought some stuff in and had me help bring stuff into the office to teach the kids something. Yep. We're going to make some snow ice cream. Snow ice cream? Yeah, it's right there, Miss Mary. Oh, okay. So we have a big pan of snow. Yep, we have a big pan of snow, and we have milk, and we have sugar, and we have vanilla. Oh, so we have, what are those things called? Well, when you're doing a recipe, it's called an ingredient. Oh, so we have ingredients. So if we have milk, snow, sugar, and vanilla, how many is that? Ooh, can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many, guys? That's right, 4 ingredients. Okay, Sammy, well, it's warm in the house, so we should probably get busy if we're going to do this recipe. Okay, so here's what you got to do, Miss Mary. Do you have your bowl? Oh, yep, I have my bowl. It's right here, Sammy. Let me set my measuring utensils over there. So I have my bowl, Sammy. Ooh, awesome. And do you have your snow? Oh, do you guys know what sound snow starts with? Oh, what'd you guys say? Yes, it starts with S. Snow. Okay, here we go. So you got your snow, and I'm looking at my recipe online over here. Okay, so Sammy, what does it say to do first? It says put 3 cups of snow in a large bowl. Okay, well, I have this, which is more of a liquid measuring cup. Snow's not liquid, it's a solid. Oh, so should we not use this measuring cup? Okay, so Sammy says we shouldn't use that cup because it's like for liquids. Instead, we're going to use these measuring cups. I wonder, do you think the red one is 1 cup or is the green one a cup? Ooh, green. Well, look right there. You're right. It says 1 cup. Okay, so it says put 3 cups of snow. All right, Sammy, so we're going to put 3 cups of snow. Now, Sammy, when you went out and got the snow, did you get it anywhere specific? Oh, I went to a spot in the yard that had, like, nothing near it, no tracks, because tracks are like animals, and it had nothing that had fallen, and it was nice and clean. Oh, okay, good. Nice and clean snow is a good thing. We want to make sure that we're eating nice and clean snow. Okay, did you get 3 cups, Miss Mary? Well, I kind of think I got 2.5. So let me, I'm going to put another half in here just to be safe. Okay, let's see. Oh, can you show the kids? Okay, guys, see? There's my 3 cups of snow. Now, what do I do next? Okay, our sign says put in milk. Okay, and it says 1 cup. Okay, well, is milk a solid or a liquid? Oh, it's a liquid. That's right, guys. It's a liquid. So are we using this measuring cup? Oh, we're using this measuring cup? Okay. All right. All right, so I'm going to get, how much did it say? 1. Can you show Miss Mary 1 finger? Good job, guys. All right, we're going to do 1 cup of milk. Now, I'm doing this one-handed, and it'll be a little tricky, but okay, 1 cup of milk. Good job, Miss Mary. Oh, thanks, Sammy. Look, there is our 1 cup of milk. And you can kind of see where that number 1 is, and that's where the water stops. That's called measurementation. Do you mean measurement? Measurementation. I think it's called measuring, Sammy. Well, okay. So we have to pour it in the snow. Okay, I'm going to pour it in the snow. All right, it's in, Sammy. Okay, what do I do next? It says add the sugar and vanilla. Ooh, okay, so sugar. Ooh, is that what's in this paper bag? Yes, sugar is also a solid. Oh, so are we using this measuring cup, Sammy, or are we using the measuring, or these measuring cups? Those right there, because those are for solids. Okay, and it says we need 1/2 cup. Is that more or less than this big green one? Ooh, that's less. Half and half make a whole. So 1 cup can be made into 2 halves. Wow, Massady would be so proud of your skills. Oh, I'll have to tell him that you said that, Miss Mary. That's right, 1/2 and 1/2 make a whole. Okay, Sammy, so we have to do what? Put in 1/2 cup of sugar. All right, I'm going to get 1/2 cup of sugar. I got to get way down here in this bowl, or in this bag. Okay. Here, I'll help Miss Mary. Look, I got you, Miss Mary. Okay, there we go, Sammy. Oh, we might have to add. You know what? I didn't get quite 1/2 cup, so I need to add a little bit, Sammy. So maybe I can set this down and pour some in. Well, that's a good idea, Miss Mary. That's a really good idea. You're so smart. Well, thanks, Sammy. All right, there we go, Sammy. So we got a 1/2 cup of sugar right there. Ooh, it's all sparkly. We put sugar in cookies too, Miss Mary. We do put sugar in cookies. All right, so I'm going to put it in the bowl. Yep, put it in the bowl. Okay, here we go. Watch. I'm pouring. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, it's all in. Now what does it say I need to do, Sammy? It says that you add the vanilla. Ooh, the vanilla. Oh, that's this stuff right here. Yeah, that goes in baking stuff. See that vanilla? That's right, vanilla. And it says that we need 1 teaspoon. Oh, I wonder what a teaspoon is. Oh, let's see. Oh, those are tiny, Miss Mary. These are tiny. Are they bigger or smaller than the measuring cups we were using? They're smaller. That's right. And you know, measurement can be big or it can be little. And it says that we need 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Oh, that's that one right there. Yep, that's that one right there. And so we're going to make 1 teaspoon of, what was that word? Vanilla. That's right. It was vanilla. All right, I'm going to pour a teaspoon of vanilla in. There we go. And then what do we have to do again, Sammy? We have to pour it into the snow. Okay, I'm going to pour it in. There we go. Ooh, that vanilla was brown. It was brown, Sammy. And then, okay, so let's show the kids. So far, does that look like ice cream, guys? Nope. But let's read the directions. The directions say mix. Oh, we have to mix? Okay, so I brought out my whisk. Ooh, that looks kind of fun. Can I help you mix? Sure, Sammy. Okay, are you ready? Sammy is gonna help me mix. I'm a mix it, I'm a mix it, I'm a mix it, I'm a mix it, mixy, 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 mix. Ooh, it changed, Miss Mary. It changed? Yeah, can we show the boys and girls? Sure, let's show the boys and girls. Oh, guys, it did change. So the snow was solid. And then we added, what was that milk? The milk was, what was it, guys? Oh, a liquid. They're so smart. The milk was a liquid. And now it looks like this. It's kind of like a liquid. Is there anything else in our instructions, Sammy? Ooh, it says add more snow. Okay, so we have to add more snow. All right, I'm going to get back out our measuring cup. It says 2 to 3 more cups. Okay, so I'm going to use this. We have that green one. That's a 1. Can you show us a 1, guys? Good job. Now, it says 2 to 3. So can you show me 3 fingers? Good job. All right, we're going to put in 3 cups of snow. Here's 1. Oh, there goes 1. Now if we had 3 cups and we added 1, how many are left? Oh, well, did we add or we take away? No, we put it in. So, okay, now we have 3 cups and we've taken and put 1 in. So how many cups do we need to do? That's right, 2 more. Okay, show me 2 fingers. Okay, here we go. Ready, guys? And... Ooh. Oh. That was fun. Okay, so there's 2. So we have 2 cups of snow, and the recipe calls for 3. Okay, so if we've had 2 cups and we need to put 1 more in, how many will that make? Do you guys know? Show me 2 fingers. Now add 1 more. That's right, it's 3. They're so smart. I know, Miss Mary. I love our class. Our class is so smart. Okay, are you doing okay over there, Miss Mary? Well, I'm trying, Sam. I'm trying. It's a little hard. Oh, okay. There we go. This is our last cup, Sam. Ooh, okay, ready? Ready? Everybody, let's count to 3 and watch it go in. 1, 2, 3! That's right. It went in on 3. Oh, we got to do that mixing thing again. Okay, should we count to a number? Like, maybe we could do what Mathity Macman's favorite number is? Okay. I like that idea, and I'll stir while you're doing it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You're right. Mathity Macman loves to count to 20. Okay, well, should we show the boys and girls what this looks like? Yeah. Okay, look, boys and girls. We have snow ice cream. It went from this, ooh, that was fresh snow, to this. Can you make a scoop, Miss Mary? I can absolutely make a scoop of ice cream. Okay, so I have my spoon, and I'm going to scoop some ice cream into a bowl. I'm scooping ice cream in. Ooh, let's count until she fills the bowl. Maybe I can put it up here so the boys and girls... Nope, I guess I can't. It doesn't go high enough, so I'll just put it down there. Okay, you have 2. All right, well, let's keep scooping until it's full. Ready? 3... 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that's a lot of ice cream. Oh, I could do a little more. 9, maybe 1 more, just because the number that comes after 9 is what? Did you guys say 10? Wow, you're so smart. That's right, it's 10. Oh, 10. Oh, look at our snow ice cream. That looks delicious. Sammy? Oh, you know what would make it look better, Miss Mary? What do you think would make it look better? I see it over there. We didn't show the boys and girls, did we? No, we didn't. It is Sprinkles! You're right. Everything is better with sprinkles. All right. Well, I guess we can put some sprinkles on. Yay, sprinkles! Okay, is that enough sprinkles? Yeah. See, we got to put some sprinkles on. Now, should I try this, Sammy? Well, yeah, of course you can try it. Okay, all right. Well, I'm going to try a bite of our snow ice cream. Mmm. That's delicious, Sammy. I knew it would be. But do you know what would make it taste better, Miss Mary? Well, what would make it taste better? Because it tastes really good as it is. Are you sure? Well, do you guys know what would make it taste better? Well, okay, go ahead and tell us, Sammy. Banana. Sammy, you're so silly. And I know the boys and girls agree. A banana would make it taste much better. All right, my friend. I'm going to have you go tuck away, and I'm going to eat some snow ice cream, and maybe Mama's going to come visit in a little bit with another story. And so you have a great day. Okay, Miss Mary, you have a great day too. Bye, guys. I love you. Oh, but I got a question. You have a question? Uh-oh. Do you guys know what his question is? Do you have a banana? Aw, Sammy, you are so fun. Guys, I hope you had fun making snow ice cream. I'm going to put the recipe that tells us how to make it in the comments. And so if your parents want to make snow ice cream with you, they can. But maybe Mom and Dad doesn't want to make snow ice cream, and that's okay too. Maybe they'll let you get a pan just like this one, or bigger, maybe bigger and wider like a tote, and you can bring some snow in and put it in the bathtub and get to play with it so the water stays in the tub. So I hope you guys are staying warm today. I love you, and I'm going to talk to you later. Bye, guys.